So you went ahead and picked up your first home solo Bitcoin miner. Congratulations, that's absolutely awesome. You get it set up on your wallet and you get it placed on your solo pool of choice. And you go ahead and start to play the lottery, the Bitcoin lottery. Every 10 minutes, there's a solo block hit, and it could be you. But let's be entirely honest. This machine right here, NerdQAxe++ 4.8 terahash, has a 1 in 3,800 chance per year to hit a Bitcoin block, which is super, super slim. But what if there's a chance that you get a little bit of Bitcoin every time someone on your solo pool hits a Bitcoin block? What's going on, crypto miners? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about solo mining, pool mining, and a possible hybrid option that allows you to solo mine, but also earn a little bit of Bitcoin on the side. Listen, I talk with a lot of you all the time, especially in my Discord. You bought your first solo miner and you instantly go away from solo mining and you decide to pool mine with it. And about a week later, you come back to me and you go, this isn't worth it. I'm earning fractions of a penny or cents per day with this. This is really silly. And I get it. I totally agree. You bought a solo Bitcoin miner and now you're trying to step up to the big leagues and earn a daily profitability. It's not built for that. But for those of you guys that want to solo mine and you want to earn a little bit of Bitcoin on the side, let's talk about Parasite Pool. All right, so let's go back to our little display here and talk a little bit more exactly how Parasite Pool works. So traditionally, if you're solo mining, right, you have your solo Bitcoin miner, maybe you have it set up to your own home node, maybe you have it set up to like public pool or CK pool or something like that, and you're solo mining Bitcoin. And if you hit a block, you go ahead and win 3.125 Bitcoin. And there's a little bit of that comes off the top, right? That goes to the actual pool that you're mining on. There's a small percentage of that you go ahead and sacrifice to use their pool. And I love that. I love that. It is a little bit of a gamification. It's a little bit of a gamble, one could say, but you are solo mining Bitcoin with that goal of hitting that big block. You know, I mean, at times it's upwards of 300,000. Now, granted, we're down quite a bit as of today. We're in like the 60, 65,000 right now. But then we look at pool mining, and in pool mining, we get rid of that big Bitcoin block. And instead, what happens is you pool mine, but this is not really a massive horsepower machine. Let's be honest, you bought a solo Bitcoin miner. This is doing 4 terahash right now, and it's on a pool that you have miners that are 300 terahash and higher. So every day, instead of you earning decent amount of profitability here, you're earning not even a fraction of this much Bitcoin, just very, very small little amount of Bitcoin. And so it's not really worth it. And I try to drive that home with my community that don't go buy a solo miner and then try to earn daily profitability. But what if there's something that's in between? A pool called Parasite Pool. And it operates a little bit different. It's a hybrid model. They definitely push for and they encourage the community around this pleb title. And I love it. I think it's awesome. Absolutely. And it kind of takes the happy median, that hybrid between the two, between strict solo mining and, you know, straight pool mining. And what does that look like? What makes it so different? So on Parasite Pool, the way it works is you set up your solo miner. We're going to do this today. I'm going to show you how to do it. You take your solo miner and you solo mine Bitcoin on their pool. But here's the difference. Let's say I go ahead and hit a Bitcoin block, okay? And it's worth 3.125 Bitcoin. So let's take like 3 of these little coins here. Oh, this is a Cadena coin. We don't want that one. Dogecoin. Here we go. Bitcoin. Nice. Okay. So let's say you're on Parasite Pool and you hit a Bitcoin block. Well, you don't walk away with 3.125 Bitcoin. You get 1 Bitcoin, okay? Well, what happens with the rest of this Bitcoin, these 2 other pieces of what happens with them? Well, what happens with them is that goes to everyone else on Parasite Pool that is solo mining Bitcoin. It breaks it up and they're rewarded based off of like the shares and the effort and everything like that. So how that kind of goes both ways though is like, oh my gosh, I hit a Bitcoin block. Well, I get it. You walk away with 1 Bitcoin. You're like, man, but let's say you're on the flip side. You're not on the finder of that Bitcoin block. You're on the rest of the community. Well, the nice thing is your solo miner, whoa, did you see that roll away? That was pretty good. Your solo miner earns you a little bit, just a little bit, a fraction of that entire, 2 Bitcoin left over. And it's this nice hybrid model, right? It allows you to solo mine, but it also allows you to earn a little Bitcoin on the side when the pool hits a Bitcoin block. Looking to launch or scale your mining operation? BlockOps Mining, based right in Arkansas, delivers over 67 megawatts of hosting power across multiple state-of-the-art facilities. Whether you're starting with 1 ASIC or 1,000, BlockOps Mining gives you a true turnkey experience, from purchasing your miners directly through them to having your hardware powered up and hashing in no time. They support traditional air-cooled hosting and now the latest generation hydro miners, giving you maximum efficiency and flexibility. Reach out to BlockOps Mining today and tell them the Hobbyist Miner sent you for special pricing and exclusive discounts. All right, so we're over here on Parasite.space. I'll leave a link directly down below. This video isn't sponsored by Parasite Pool or anything like that. I just love the idea and want to share it with my community. So this is a very, very community grassroots style looking website, and I love it. Not overcomplicated, not flash everywhere, just simple and easy. So currently right now, we have about 331 petahash that is currently on Parasite Pool. That's a decent amount. If I jump over to this converter over here and do 333, that comes to 333,000 terahash. Think of that from like a BitAxe Gamma. That's a lot of BitAxe Gammas out there. Now, you don't have to just run this model on small home solo Bitcoin miners. You could use big boy miners if you really, really wanted to. And taking a closer look down here, there's about 2,250 users at roughly about 16,500, give or take, total miners on here right now. So think about it. There is 16,500 miners, let's say, on this pool. So if any one of them hit a Bitcoin block, you get a little fraction of that payout, which is really, really nice, especially if you're going to go buy a $55 BitAxe Gamma. If you're looking for one, I'll leave a link directly down below to find some more. So that being said, let's look at a few things here. So Parasite Pool, has it ever hit a block? Have people ever got paid out? Well, yeah, actually. The nice thing is if you're over on their pool, you can actually, let's see, right here. You can actually come over here to their round history. They call these rounds every time they hit a Bitcoin block. So you could see that like right here, this is the first one that they actually hit. And then they have the next one. They call that their next round. So this was at 9:45, 6:01. And then the next time, so right now they've hit 3 Bitcoin blocks since their infancy, since they started. And now is the current round that's operating. And how that works, if you think about it a little bit, is you can actually jump over. We'll jump over to MePool. And MePool actually sees that we're at 957,597. That's the current block. The last block that got hit 24 minutes ago was on Luxor, actually. And you can actually see the other ones through here. But you can come in the top corner and search for Parasite, and you can validate this actually. Take a look. Here, right on MePool.space, you can see there's been 3 of those blocks hit. The first one was 4 months ago. Then the next one was 3 months ago. And the last one was just 3 weeks ago total, which is absolutely wild. Like, this is so cool. So it does exist. They have hit a block, and there has been rewards that have been handed out for this. So if this is something you're interested in doing, I have, about 60 terahash here at home, solo mining Bitcoin on my own node. But I'd love to go ahead and put this NerdQAxe on Parasite Pool to kind of test the waters a little bit. And so to do that, you can come over here and hit connect in the upper right-hand corner, and this little screen pops up. And so it's going to walk us through what stratum to use, what port to use, and here's all the final information. So let me get mine set up real quick and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so I've gone ahead and logged into my NerdQAxe++. Probably need to update this thing, it's been a while. And first thing I'm gonna do is come over to settings here, and I'm gonna scroll down, and you can see this is actually my current node and the port, and then my Bitcoin address that I use for solo mining, and then NerdQAxe White is what I call it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over to Parasite Pool here, and we're going to use the URL parasite.wtf. Love it. Dude, this feels so like grassroots, like the infancy here. I love this. I love this. I love this community-based kind of style. All right, we're going to paste in the port here, and then we need our address. And I actually snagged a new address for Bitcoin that I'm going to monitor, that I set it up within my Tangent wallet just for Parasite Pool. Like, that's all that it's for. So we have that in there, and NerdQAxe white is what we're going to call it. And I'm going to put a password of X. Let me just check to make sure. They want your Bitcoin address.name. Okay. And password. Use any password. It's not checked. Okay, cool. All right. Awesome. So let's go ahead and save this. And I'm going to hit restart. All right. We've been up and running for, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes now. Let's go ahead. We're over on Parasite Pool. Let's go ahead. We're going to paste in our Bitcoin address up top there and hit find. And you can see actually right now it says 4.92 terahash, which is awesome. Love to absolutely see it. Oh, look at this. Best difficulty reached already there. That's pretty actual slick that you can actually like see that like right away, which is actually kind of really, really nice. So we are set up in here. If you had multiple miners, they'd show up down here under miners. You can see NerdQAxe white. You could see multiple different miners in there, as well as their best difficulties. And it shows the round that we're currently in right now, letting us know like, hey, we're participating, we're submitting shares, which is absolutely awesome. I love this. I love this type of stuff, and I'm excited. All right, so love to get your thoughts and feedback on Parasite Pool. I know there's a ton of solo Bitcoin home miners out there that are just looking for avenues to accumulate a little bit of Bitcoin at a time. And I think Parasite Pool is that perfect happy median. That's why they call it like a hybrid pool. So guys, love to hear from you guys. Have you tried this before? Have any of you guys been on Parasite Pool when they hit a Bitcoin block? I'd love to hear your story. How much did you earn? How much hash rate did you have on there? As I said, I'm brand new to this, but I'm eager to test it out with my white NerdQAxe. Leave your comments down below. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. I've teamed up with the Mining Disrupt crew to help spread the word about one of the biggest crypto mining events of the year, Mining Disrupt 2026 in Miami, Florida on July 21st through July 23rd. Beginners, home crypto miners, mid-sized farm operators, full-scale operators, everyone comes together under one roof in Miami. Expect major hardware launches, industry-leading speakers, creator meetups, and amazing after parties every single night. Tickets are on sale right now, and use the code HOBBYISTMINER for 20% off. Link in the video description or scan this QR code. See you in Miami in July.